Hello guys, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to blur image background in Photoshop. To begin, I've imported this image onto Photoshop, and as you can see, this background is a little bit blurry already. I'm going to show you how to make the background really blurry in Photoshop. The first thing I'm going to do is to duplicate this layer. So come over here and hit Ctrl+J to duplicate that layer. Next, with this top layer selected, come over to filter menu over here and select filter. Scroll down to camera raw filter and select it, and this window is going to pop up. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down over here and come over to lens blur over here and select apply lens blur and increase the blur amount. So it's currently 50. I'm going to increase it to 100. The next thing you want to do is to select one of the options you prefer here. So I'm going to see which option works best for this particular image. Any one of them you choose will actually give you a really good blur amount, and hit OK. So as you can see, this is what we have here, and if I toggle this off, you can see what we initially had. So you can see the difference between this and that. And that's it guys on how to blur image background in Photoshop. Thank you, and see you in my next tutorial tomorrow.